in marketing.
I work in IT.
I work for a large alcohol business.
I work in publishing.
It's a consulting business. We do management consulting.
I'm in a design business.
I actually work in marketing at a consultancy.
Design and construction business.
It's a marketing company.
In a large multi-million-dollar confectionery company.
I own the company. Look after email collaboration technologies.
I'm a sales rep.
I do finance and administration.
It's graphic design.
I'm a national advertising manager.
I'm a production manager.
I'm the team coordinator.
I'm IT manager for the Australian division.
Absolutely, I work with a number of global people for different projects, so spanning global companies. Yeah, we do. If we're doing, tenders or information memos or something like that, it's the document will start at one end and feed its way through the chain to somebody to sign it off at the other end.
Very, very seldom do we ever work independently of everyone else. It's quite important that you have the skills to collaborate in order to be successful and to do well in our company.
We work from the initial design phase with the clients. We're emailing designs back and forth, which are then linking in, I guess, with our server and our design team, and similarly with budgets and production reports and all that type of stuff. So a lot of back and forth.
Yep, most definitely. Often working with key account managers, with the upper management, a lot of collaboration goes on in our business.
We think it could be better.
Look, I'd say we have a good team environment in terms of sharing. However, the actual systems that we use, the sharing of the documents, is flawed. It's always hard to keep up to date with what actually is the most relevant document.
It's pretty good. I mean, it could be better. The company's sort of, I guess, grown quite rapidly, so we're sort of catching our tail a little bit with our systems at work at the moment.
Biggest issue is people interfering with other people's edits, so we'll take it as a Word document and mark up changes and flush it through, but not everybody saves the changes that they should have saved. It can be difficult depending on the amount of people that are working on a project, particularly in a big company. It's important that you try and understand who you're working with and get that understanding from other people.
Most collaboration happens through the internet. We have intranet, so a portal within the business. So yeah, probably 70% of our work goes through the internet, and then 30% on just normal phone calls.
Yes and no. What we tend to work out what we need to do and then make systems in place to do that. We waste so much time going backwards and forwards to the client's office or they coming to see us, that if we could do it online effectively, it would make a huge difference, definitely.
At times it can be frustrating. Sometimes it's limited by the speed. I think a lot of the time, in my side of design work, files are usually quite big, quite hefty, and we do the frustration is the speed at which we can retrieve and upload files.